Hello and welcome. I am the mom teacher. Today we're talking about a teen number. We're working on learning our teen numbers. And my number today, can you see it in the middle of my whiteboard? That's right. The number 1 and the number 2, but wait a minute. 1 is not a teen number. 2 is not a teen number when they come together this way. What number are we talking about? Good job, friends. The number 1 and 2 together is a 12. And a 12 is one of our teen numbers that we're working hard to learn. And we know that number 12 can be a tricky one. Sometimes my friends confuse it when they're still learning to start on the left and go to the right. They confuse it with the number 21. But a 12 is a 10 and 2 ones. And today we're going to be working on different ways that we can make the number 12. So we're going to start our day with a story. This is a story about 12 little bouncy balls. So here it goes. My friend Giovanni went to the Dollar Tree and he got 12 bouncy balls. So I'm going to draw those the 10 frame way. When I'm drawing 10 frame way, I do a 10 and then whatever's left over. So let's do that 10 frame way. And we're going to do it in a vertical formation, still keeping our 10 way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bouncy balls because we 5 frame out first, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10. If you need to pause your video so that you can continue writing your bouncy balls, feel free. Otherwise, let's keep going. Now we can use our counting on method to make sure that we get to, what's our number for today? Exactly, 12. So we can point to this number and say 10 and then keep going, counting on 11, 12. So now I have a 10 and how many ones? 2. Good job. 1 10 and 2 ones makes a 12. My friend Giovanni had 12 bouncy balls. He gave 4 of them to his good friend Gerardo. How many bouncy balls did he keep for himself? Well, that's an interesting story. We can do a subtraction problem to figure out how many he had for himself. So 12, because we know we always start with the whole number when we're doing a subtraction problem, and we'll do this one in vertical format. 12 minus, how many did he give to his friend Gerardo? 4. And when you're lining up a single digit number with a double digit number, you need to make sure that the ones line up vertically. So here's my ones. We know that this is a 10 and 2 ones, and the ones line up vertically. So I'm going to put my 4 directly below my 2, which is the ones, and then my minus goes beside my 4. And in a vertical subtraction problem or addition problem, the equals is one long line. 12 minus 4 equals, well, you know how to do minus. We need to take away 4. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, and then I'll break into my 10, 3, 4. How many did he keep for himself? Well, if you're counting on, you know that this 5 frame is still full. So we can say 5 and keep counting on 6, 7, 8. squeaky pen I have today. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Good work. Now in our last video, we played some missing number games, and I would like to play a missing number game today, and I'm going to use cubes. So first of all, I need to know how many cubes are here. So can you count those with me? Maybe you can even subitize them. I'll give you a second. If you didn't subitize, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So my first number is 5. I'm going to move down just a little bit, make sure that I don't confuse my former problem with my present problem. And I'm going to use an addition. Addition means plus, and I'm going to have a missing number. Because we know that this addend is here. We have a missing addend here, but we already know what the sum is. What is our number for today? 12. 12. So 5 plus something equals 12. How many more would it be? If I have 5, how many more do I need to get to 12? Well, I'm going to use my fingers to do this counting. I hope you'll do that too. And we're going to start by saying 5, and then we'll keep counting on our fingers until we get to 12, and then we will stop. And once we've stopped, we'll count up how many fingers that is, and maybe we can subitize that number, and then we'll know what our missing number is. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is our missing number. Do you know how much it is? Well, this hand is full, so that is 5, 6, 7. Did you already know that? You're such good mathematicians. Our missing number was 7. Good work. Would you like to play a dice one with a missing? I think that would be fun. First, what you want to do is take your die and you're going to give them a shake, 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 shake. And when you roll them out, you will get a number. This we know is a 6 and this is a 5. So let's count on and see what we got. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is our first number. 11 plus how many? Equals, that's right, good job, 12. Now, some of you I know are going, I know it. But let's use our counting on strategy just to be sure. Okay. 11 and 12. Wait, I didn't have to count on very far. It was easy. It was just a 1. Our last thing that we're going to do today is we're going to sort our magnets. I made sure that I put up 12 magnets, but we need to do them just like we did when we were doing our 10 frame way. We need to get 10 of our magnets and then continue to count on. Do it with me, please. Let's do our gold magnets first. We're going to sort by color. So we'll put our gold magnets up here at the top. And then we'll do our black magnets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we do it? 10 and 2 left over makes 12. Boys and girls, I'm so proud of you. You did a great job working on the number 12. If you want to continue playing and making up problems on your own, I hope you'll do that. Becoming a good mathematician is all about practice, 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 isn't it? If you haven't already done so, I hope you'll hit like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear more about you. Please tell me a little about yourself in the comments and maybe suggest a video for us to do in the future. We love checking in with you. Are you ready? Arms up. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. It was so nice to see you. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Have a lovely afternoon. See you next time.